So you were making the secret box and actually you have made it half and deleted half. Okay, and you deleted half. You deleted this side or this side?
Sir, right side, sir.
Right side you have deleted. Okay, all right. Now you need to understand one thing. The the orientation of this object is on the x-axis, isn't it? On the x-axis, like this. So red color, x-axis in this. So going to the mirror option, going to the mirror option box, and over here we need to select x-axis. Mirror axis should be x. All right, should be x because the orientation is on the x-axis. If mirror will be in this axis, so this will be z. So we need to select z. So in this case, you need to check in your file like which axis it is. So it should be the x-axis. Okay. Now, which side the arrow is, that is the positive side, and definitely the other side is the negative side. Okay. So already negative side my object is there. I want the other half in the positive side. So instead of mirror direction negative, I should select positive. Okay, and then need to apply mirror, then only it will come this side. Suppose
सर वो नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव सर क्या बताया सर, वो समझ में नहीं आया.
suppose it is in the negative side, so already it is there, and again I am selecting I need that side only, then what will happen? It will happen like that. This
Yes, sir.
what is the case of yours?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so already the object is in the negative side, so we need the object in the positive side. So instead of negative in a direction, I should select positive. Okay, so then only
Yes,
it
sir.
will come to the positive side. So apply, it will come this side.
Yes, सर
This
वो
is the mirror problem.
सर नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव सर वो मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा सर, वो जो ऑप्शन में देख के सर वो ऑब्जेक्ट देख कर सर.
No. By looking at the object,
ओके.
which side the arrow is, this is the positive side, other side
यस
is the
सर.
negative
और
side.
ओके ओके ओके.
So your object is already in the negative side. You need it in the positive side. So it has to be positive.
यस सर.
Okay, if the object is there, you need it that side, then you should select negative.
यस सर, समझ गया सर. और सर वो जरा वो डेमोस्ट्रेट कर दीजिए ना सर, जो मैं ट्राई कर रहा था सर्कुलर. सर मैंने तो सर वर्टिकल से वर्टिकल सर मैंने एडजस्ट कर लिया सर मूव के लिए, और जो आप शो कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली एच कर्व से सर्कुलर कर्व से हो जा रहा है सर.
Now your guitar problem that
Yes, sir.
you were extruding, no?
यस सर.
That problem. Let us check. Okay, I'm not giving a guitar shape, the outer surface, but it was like this. Okay, and from here I extruded, isn't it? So selecting once again, selecting all the faces in this area. Now you know what? You check your option box of extrude option box. Okay, in your case I don't know, somehow it happened, so I am just extruding, and over here you can see one option is there, keep faces together. So in your case it must be off when you extruded, and then if I am extruding, okay, this thing is happening. Okay, what's happening in your case? So this is the option, this was the option which was off, keep faces together was off.
नहीं सर, ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी सर. सर मैं मतलब कि सर जो सर्कुलर सर आपने सेलेक्ट किया था वो एच एच से सर ना, तो सर आप उसको मूव टूल से मूव कर दे रहे हैं, तो सर वो मूव मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, मेरा टूट जा रहा है सर, वो चीज पूछना था.
Because you extruded like this. So one extrusion is already there. See, I also kept one extrusion. Now if I try to move it, so let's try to move it.
नहीं सर, पूरा सेलेक्ट था सर, वो लाइन बाय लाइन सर, पूरा एकदम
You
20 से भी
selected
सर।
everything.
यस सर,
You selected everything like this.
यस सर, तो भी सर
Hmm.
इसको मूव कर रहा हूँ।
Then
हाँ
also
सर,
it will happen like that.
यस सर, ऐसा हो
So,
रहा था
so
सर।
yeah, this is the problem because double extrusion is there. So if you go to the vertex
Sir,
face,
sir,
double
uh,
extrusion. Yeah.
sir,
Who is that? Nitai?
ये सर शायद ना वो जिस पार्ट का बोल रहा है ना वहाँ पे पहले थोड़ा स्केल डाउन करना है, देन उसको मूव करना है, सेंटर में लाना, वो पहले ही करता रहेगा।
No, no.
इसके लिए
Yes. You were correct. Means.
इंटरसेक्ट करके बाहर निकल जा रहा है, बाहर
Hmm,
निकल जा रहा है।
hmm. So basically, what happened, Saurav?
यस सर,
You already have extruded this, but you didn't move it. So what you need to do by selecting this, you just move it a little bit. Then you will get this thickness. Then that will not happen. First, by selecting it, you move it downward a little bit, and then basically we don't need these faces, so just delete. So if this thickness you will get, we in guitar we needed this thickness basically.
नहीं सर, वो आप समझ थोड़ा सा, हाँ ठीक से, वो सिंपल डाउट है सर, मैं शायद बोल नहीं पाया ठीक से सर। वो ये एक्सट्रूड का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, वो एक्सट्रूड सर मतलब कि जो गिटार है सर, वो तो दूसरा टॉपिक है सर, जो मैं बोला था एक्सट्रूड वाला। सर पहला क्या है सर, गिटार में जो सर्कुलर शेप में सेलेक्ट किया सर, उसको मूव कर दिया आपने इजीली सर, वो मूव नहीं हो रहा है, ये बस इतना ही था और कुछ नहीं।
No. See, I'll show you something.
हाँ सर, और सर इस सर्कुलर
No, 1 minute. See, your problem is, I understood your problem, and I already told the solution, but I think you didn't get it. I was moving like this.
यस सर, यस सर,
You wanted this.
यस सर, और सर वो भी
In your
एच
case
में।
also it will happen, but what your problem is, somehow you extruded this, and now you, if you are trying to move it, what will happen? This thing is happening in your case.
ओके सर, सब बाय मिस्टेक शायद
Yeah.
हो
So
गया
what's
होगा।
the solution now? You check the vertex face mode. You will see this edge.
ओके सर, यस सर,
This edge. Okay. So what you need to do? Double click, Control, delete.
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Okay.
यस सर, और सर दूसरा वाला
So
सर
what
जो,
will happen? Let's check first.
यस सर,
The problem is gone.
यस सर,
Now tell me.
और सर दूसरा छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है सर, जो ब्रिज में सर उसके साइड व्यू में सर जो आपने किया था सर एक्सट्रूड सर, वो कैसे होगा सर? वो ब्रेक हो जा रहा था सर, माइनर सा। और सर आपके वीडियो में शायद थोड़ा सा ब्रेक होता दिखा था, आपने स्किप करके शायद किया।
No,
सर
that
वो
that happens actually. That happens. That's not a big deal.
यस सर, यस सर,
So in those cases, actually, in those cases, it happens. So that's not a problem. Okay, I created this kind of shape, and if now you are going to extrude it, okay, in the local axis. So I'm extruding it. So in this case, it's not creating any problem, but in this area, in this case also that problem is there. Can you see? That problem is there. So
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
corners, first from this side, I am creating the similar kind of width, and then by selecting this axis, I created similar kind of width. So we need to do it manually if we are working with the local axis. So just after extrusion, it will be like this, but then just to move, two translations, it will become like this. It happens. Almost all the corners, this kind of shape, the corners will be like this after extrusion. Understood?
यस सर. और सर टेक्सचर में सर वो थोड़ा सा चेकर का थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट समझा दीजिए सर. मेरा सर हो नहीं रहा था सर. वो
See,
काफी ट्राई किया था.
suppose at the top plane was there, no? Okay,
Sir.
before that, wait. You asked me another question. I will just answer that. After that, I will go to the checker. You asked how it was becoming both object becoming green. You asked, no?
No सर वो ब्लू सर नीचे वाला ब्लू था सर ऊपर वाला ग्रीन था सर. सर ब्लू मार्क था सर.
Okay. Then just click on that wireframe on shaded like this. It was.
ओके सर.
Yeah.
सर वो सर वायर फ्रेम से सेलेक्ट करने से सर दूसरा वाला सर वो ब्लू जाता है सर.
Yeah. You whatever the objects will be in the scene, the wireframe will be visible on that.
ओके सर. सर इतना ही था.
And suppose this is the plane. Okay, I'm dealing with, and I am applying checker box. For now, let's keep a render. Assign a Lambert and taking checker box out color to color. Let's see how it is looking. Suppose by default the alignment I'm getting like this, but I am not satisfied enough. So I have to go to the placement node of it, and from here repetition UVs. Okay, this is the attribute. Now if you face like the a little bit of rotation is there somewhere, then you need to deal with this rotate frame. But if that is fine, only the repetition is problematic, then from here you need to change the repetition. Suppose 6 by 6 you need. Suppose 2 by 2 you need. 3 by 3 you need. So according to your need, you need to change it from here. If you are having translation problem, then from here you can change the translation. Like I'm getting a little bit offset, so from here you can get the translation value. At this side translation also can be done. Right? Like this you need to adjust. So the enter placement.
सर एक बार मैं शो करूं सर. मेरे में एक्चुअल क्या आ रहा है सर?
Yes.
One minute सर मैं खोल के
Ananta, tree unwrapping I already have showed. Okay, and tree texturing, you people first try tree texturing. It can be done. Like when means you have unwrapped it, try to paint it in Photoshop, or if you are using the real image of tree trunk, and that also like the cigarette box and human face we did, like that, just try.
सर विजिबल हो रहा है सर आपको सर?
सर
स्क्रीन विजिबल है सर आपको?
Okay, your problem is it is not in the square shape.
यस सर. वो कितना भी कर रहा हूँ सर स्क्वायर शेप में तो हो जा रहा है, फिर बाद में कॉर्नर हो जा रहा है. या
you select your checker box. Select your checker box.
सर मटेरियल एट्रीब्यूट में गया सर.
Go inside.
सर तो सर यहाँ से एडजस्ट करके भी सर काफी ट्राई किया सर, हो नहीं रहा था. तो सर शो करता हूँ सर आपको. ये देखिए सर, ये 4 किया या
No. Some problem is not that. How much? It is 1 by 1 only, no?
Yes, sir, 1 by.
Just render this frame.
Sir, Arnold, sir.
Whatever you are using, just render this frame. Put a light.
Sir, light, sir.
Arnold light.
Sir,
Go to Arnold, put a light.
Arnold in the right
Come on,
side.
Saurabh, you don't know how to put a light in the scene.
सर अभी याद नहीं आया सर मैं सर वो
How to put a light? Your entire lighting is done. Go to Arnold and put a light.
ओके सर आर्नोल्ड सेटिंग में ना सर ओके
No, not from here. No, this is a render setting.
ओके
Come on, you need to give exam on lighting.
यस यस सर सर मैं भी थोड़ा अभी सर याद नहीं आ रहा सर थोड़ा रिवीजन करूंगा
From the shelf also can be done. You just click on Arnold in the shelf.
सर
Arnold tab in the shelf.
in the shelf sir
In a shelf. What is the shelf? Shelf. What is a shelf?
sir I don't know sir
No, it will not come until unless light is there in the scene. And tell me another thing. The plane you have selected, you have applied checker boxes. Don't worry, I'll show you from where to do. Okay, the checker box, the plane you have selected, is that plane a perfect square shape? This plane?
yes sir so perfect square shape है sir
Okay. Is this a polygonal plane?
yes sir polygonal sir
Yeah.
sir
Go
ये
to
सर
the UVs. Show me the UVs of this plane.
UV of the plane sir sir UV set editor में sir
UV texture editor. No. First option.
UV sir ये
Close means make it a little smaller.
UV editor सर ना सही था ना सर ये
Make it a little bit smaller.
brightness
Make it smaller.
सर इसमें smaller
Means zoom out.
सर कंट्रोल सर zoom out सर इससे माउस से हो रहा है सही टेक्सचर सर
Zoom out. More. Right click. UV.
UV shell सर
No, normal UV.
okay,
Drag
UV.
select everything.
Okay.
Drag and select everything. Drag.
सर ड्रैग सर हो नहीं रहा है सर सर इसको ड्रैग कैसे कर रहे सब समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ
Come on, drag the mouse. Left click
sir.
and drag the mouse.
लेफ्ट क्लिक हाँ सर लेफ्ट क्लिक किया सर इसमें सर ऑप्शन से जाना है सर
You just no option, just drag select.
ओके सर मैं इसको लेफ्ट क्लिक करके सर ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ सर इस तरह से हो जा रहा है और सर मैं इसको ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ सर राइट क्लिक से सर तो इस तरह से हो जा रहा है सर
Okay, I got your problem. You just stop sharing. I'll show you.
यस सर यस सर
So suppose this is the plane. And suppose this is your UV, your problem is I was asking you to drag and select all the UVs. This I was asking you to do.
Okay, sir.
And your problem is UVs are somehow like this, somehow like this. So one side it is stretched. What you need to do, just select, drag, select everything. Need to go to unfold and just unfold it. Okay, it will be square in shape, and if like it is tilted like this, just make it straight once again and click on layout. Okay, once again it will be converted into square shape. So this is what you need to do. And what I was asking regarding the lighting, this is called the shelf. This area is called the shelf. You could go to Arnold and just click on it. You'll get AI Sky Dome light. Okay, and then you can render it, and everything will be visible. Okay, Saurav, you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, understood, sir. सर अभी सर मैं ट्राई करता हूँ सर टेक्सचर का सर सर ही पूछता हूँ सर अभी तुरंत है ना सर.
Yes, you try the problems the solutions I give. You just try those. If any problem is there, next day, once again, just let me know. Okay, there was another question from Ananta. Ananta, what you were saying actually? Chessboard, yes, please show it. You can show it right now. Yes. Ananta has left. Ananta?
Yes, sir. Just 1 second.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
just show it.
yes. Today I'm really happy that you people are asking me questions, and it is becoming interesting to me also. So what was your question, Ananta?
No, sir. The chessboard is there's no question in the chessboard. Chessboard I'm through with, and I was actually asking about the tree that you had shown. So that I was having problem with. So that's why I wanted to ask.
Okay, you are facing problem in that.
Yeah, in the tree. So
Okay.
I haven't made anything, but I just tried it and it was I kept messing up. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. Fine. What my suggestion is in your chessboard,
Yes.
do a very nice.
Sorry, so I didn't hear you.
No, means you put 3-point lighting in your scene.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'll do that.
Yes, and render with reflection and all. Like your final presentation has to be very nice.
Okay, sir. Okay, I'll change that. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So there is another question that Ananta, you are asking especially the unwrapping part of the tree, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this was the tree we created. and some of the branches we already unwrapped it. So now let's take this one. Okay, this we didn't do anything, so let us check which one is this. This one. Okay, so first what we did a planar mapping, and then by using 3D cut tool I separated all the branches. If I guess you people can remember that. I separated all the small branches. Everything I
Yes, sir.
separated. Yeah. So after that, what I did, I need to unitize it, isn't it? Unitize it. So selected all the faces. Going to modify, and okay, in Maya 2019 I need to find it out, that particular tool, unitize, where it is written. Okay, tools. It should be over here. Unitize. Yeah, unitize. Okay. So just clicking on unitize, and what happened? All the faces are separate. Okay. So after this, what we did, we need to create a seam. So maybe it can be this one. So the same seam will continue like this. Okay. So this will be my seam. So select it entirely, and over here also I need to do it, the last point. So let's select this also, this much. Okay, so this much will be the opening. So everything is done, everything is selected over here. Now shift select over here. So just toggle select. Okay, so whatever the seam I selected, that is deselected, and everything else is selected now, right? And then what we need to do, cut and sew and stitch together. Clicked on stitch together. So this process will take a little bit time. Okay, let us check what happened. See, sorry, it's looking like, okay, I have missed something. I'll just show you
Forgot to control
what
deselect.
what I have missed. I'll just show you. Okay, I have deselected it and selected everything else, and something else is selected. Something else is selected. Sorry. Edge. Yeah, this is selected. So when this is selected, it is trying to connect with these officials, right? So what I need to do now, deselect all the edges from here. So now I deselected everything. Make sure your cursor is over here only. Okay, so that was the problem. Now click on stitch together. This selection is very crucial, very important. Okay, let us check. Okay, and you can see this is looking absolutely fine. Absolutely fine, but too big. So making very small, and you can see it. It's not looking like a branch. Going to transform, and yes, it's not looking like a branch. So what can be done? Just selecting and going to unfold and clicking on unfold. How exactly it is? It is becoming like that. So through cylindrical mapping, it is very difficult to do. So by using unitize, so it will be very easy. Now my checker boxes are much better.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So like this, so all the branches you will get like this. And definitely the checker boxes are too small, means the UV shell is too big. So make it smaller so that it can match the UV shells. So, this is also done. So like this, all the branches you need to do. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, yes, Sagar, your model. Yes, your model is there with me. I think this one, mesh head.
Yes, sir.
You have created. Now, a few problems are there in this model. We can discuss, like those who has done at least this much. So the first problem is this. I guess you are having some problem. Okay, multiple geometry is there. Okay, so this is a problem. We should not keep a point like this. What will happen? Just imagine, after attaching both the sides, what will happen? How many? What is the valency of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 valency will be created. So we should not do like this. What we should do, just delete this, and this should be continued like this. Okay, so this will become a 4 valency. Now you can say, like, now this is a pentagon. Okay, this is a pentagon. Yes, so from here it can go inside the nostril. So that is one possibility. Second possibility is, from here it can come like this. So that is the second possibility, can be done. Okay, third possibility is there, that is, from here, as we know, to exaggerate this ring, what we do, we split like this, right? And select this one, edit mesh, and collapse. So the 5 valency can be over here at the corner.
So that ring near nose is, means, was a compulsory every character है ना?
Definitely, means even nose that nose wing will be there, no, in each and every character. Some characters can be there that is not having any nose wing. So in those cases, you don't have to do. Understood? But the 5 or 6 valency should not be there at the center line. Remember this. It is a major mistake. Should not be there. Just shift it. So I shifted it over there. Can be because in expression, this area will not matter a lot for the expression. That is the reason. Okay, now in this area, one 5 valency will be created anyhow, either over here or over here. You can keep it, but don't keep on this line. Over here also one 5 valency will be there. That is this. Okay. But I don't think this is correct. 3 valency over here. No. This 3 valency can be over here. In this there will be 3 valency. One loop, another loop, third loop. So 3 valency will be over here, not over here. Okay, so this vertex is looking problematic. So what can be done? It should come downward. It should be like this. Okay, and yes, who is that? Who is that?
सर लेता है ये नेक अपना शेप में आता है ना, एक आपने बोला था वो बोन.
Sorry,
अपने नेक पे ये वी शेप में बोन आता है ना, एक लाइक साइड ऑफ द नेक से सेंटर तक का.
over here.
मैं उस बोन का नाम भूल गया सर. लाइक ना नेक साइड से और सेंटर ऑफ द चेस्ट से यहाँ तक का टच होता है.
This one.
ऐसे एक आता ना, वही वो कैसे बनाते एक और बताओ ना.
Okay, okay, understood. That sternoclavicular mastoid muscle, or over here.
सर नाम नहीं पता मुझे, बट जॉबोन नहीं हो.
Okay.
नेक पे रहता है ना, लाइक एक अपना राउंड शेप में रहता है सेंटर में. देन साइड में एक हल्का सा वो मसल अंदर जाता है. देन एक वी शेप में आता है एक बोन और मसल. वही.
सर मे बी जाइगोमेटिक माइनर या मेजर की बात कर रहे हैं.
Okay, let us check. Means I will move forward gradually. So over here also 1 5 valency will be there, and that can be over here somewhere. It can be a little bit means up, like over here also, and a little bit forward also, but somewhere over here in this area 1 5 valency can be there, but 3 valency no. Okay, because why no? Because we need this for the jaw. We need this, and before that, this kind of circular loops are necessary before that. So definitely circular loop and this loop, wherever it is connecting, a 5 valency will be created over there. So you need to remember this one. Okay, so this is one. And yes, over here this is correct. I was talking about this 3 valency. This 3 valency. It's there, but position is incorrect. It's there.
सर फर्स्ट वन वेयर आपने कहाँ बोला? नोज के ऊपर.
Somewhere over here will be created. Second one is over here. Now third one will be somewhere over here. So over here also I can see a 3 valency. This is incorrect, and I can see 1 2 5 valency. This many are not needed in this area. Okay, so let us check the problem. This is fine. This is fine. This is also fine. But I think after that, there are problems. Why this is not a continuous? Okay, I got the point. Not needed. So this is all right. Okay, you just need to check like this. You will come to know the problem. Your model is absolutely fine. Okay, just check. I was talking about this 5 valency. It is done. So now let's check your model. how it is looking. So
सर
this
दैट
is
एक्स्ट्रा लूप आपने डिलीट मारी ना, मीन्स वो
हम्म,
मैंने वो आई से वो जैसे नोज में कैसा आता है शेप
हम्म,
ऐसा,
हम्म.
उसके लिए से क्रिएट की थी, मतलब तो क्रिएट नहीं हो पाया मतलब.
No, yes, I understood, but topologically that is incorrect. No, it should be after this circular loop. The loop should be like this, like the Spider-Man mask.
यस यस.
Just check in your model if you are getting this, and then this loop will be connected with this 5 valency over here. So after that, all these areas, this is coming towards the leaf, and definitely creating zygomatic major and minor. See, following the direction. But yes, one problem is there. It is going downward, or let me check this also. It is going towards the lower lip. No, it should come towards the upper lip. Sagar, I am happy that you have done this much. Minor little problems are there. Okay, actually zygomatic major minor is connected towards the upper lip, not towards the lower lip. So that's a problem. Okay, so this loop should be connected over here. It should not go like this. So then the lips topology is incorrect. It is somehow creating circular loop, but see, it's going downward. It's not creating a circular loop over here because of this topology. Okay, so this is looking a little bit problematic to me. But from the above, like this on the forehead, this loop is correct. But where it is connected over here, this is incorrect. It should come somewhere over here. So that is problem.
अपर लिप में सो वो जो लूप्स है ना वो बहुत लेस है और लोअर लिप में ज्यादा है, मींस इक्वल नहीं है सर.
No, whatever it is, the problem is like now what you can do basically. Now what can be done? Delete this part. Okay, and make the lips once again and connect it with this. It will be done. Even this also we need to delete. Make the lips and then connect it with this topology. It will be done. So
सेपरेटली.
separately, and then just combine it and then merge it.
यस सर, टारगेट विंडो.
Yeah. So make sure the corner of the lip should be connected with this, not with this. Right now your lips is connected either with this or with this, not with this. So this is going towards the lower lip. No, this loop, the side loop, this loop should be the middle of the lips. Understood?
मिडल मींस सर, कैन यू क्लिक मतलब
Middle of the lips in the sense. Now you have seen this, right? Now I will just undo it. You will understand the problem. Okay, see, this loop should be this loop, this middle one. It should be connected with this.
यस सर, यस मींस वो अपर लिप पे आना चाहिए,
Yeah, not upper lip. This
सेंटर में.
above this loop, everything should come to the upper lip, and below this, everything should go towards the lower lip. That's the thing.
ओके सर, ओके सर.
and
शिफ्ट करना है ना.
Yeah, because of that problem in the topology, you have created a 3 valency over here, which is wrong. You just rectified, it also will be rectified.
ओके सर.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and
Means that shifting that part at the middle.
Right. And over here also 3 valency. So be very careful about these 3 valency vertices. I'm not saying it should not be there, but keeping 5 valency is also risky. Similarly, keeping 3 valency is also risky. Okay, so this one means
This one means
I'm just not liking this face. Okay, so what I'm thinking, it should be connected somehow. It should be connected, and I don't know if it is needed at all. See how nice? Yeah, it's done. That's not needed. Don't you think it's looking much better now?
yes, sir.
Okay, so 1 5 valency over here, another 5 valency over there, but 3 valency will not be there.
Okay, sir. 3 areas you told.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 5 valency will be there somewhere in this area. Somewhere in this area. That's not there. Instead of that, you are having 5 valency over here. So even this is creating a 3 valency. This, okay, that also we don't need, and this is creating a 5 valency. We don't want like that. So this is going that side, all right. So what if it comes like this? It comes like this. It comes like this. It should be like this actually. Continuous loops, no? Just check.
And sir, means in creating loops in that topology, वैलेंसी का मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया, लेकिन अब सर आपने रिमाइंड किया ना, तो मैं वैलेंसी का भी ध्यान दूंगा.
Yes.
Keeping all things at the same time means थोड़ा difficult है इसलिए.
No, through practice it will come. Now at the very initial stage you have done this much. That is really good. But now it's time, because you people are going to work on your project. So it has to be very good actually. Okay. So like this. Now this is not looking good. So another loop should come in this area at the middle. But everything should be very clean, like all the direction. Just check it's not broken anywhere. It's not broken. Here it is broken because this face is wrong. So like this you will come to know which face is wrong. So from here it is going towards the other direction. It should go over here. So in like this you will understand where is the problem. Okay, I guess you understood.
Yes, so means continuous loop arc type.
Yes.
Can you save this thing?
Sorry?
Means last time मैंने मॉडल का करेक्शन मांगा था, मींस हमने सेव नहीं किया था इसलिए.
सर निताय, वो मसल का नाम जो आपने बोले थे वही है, लाइक स्टर्नोक्लाइडोमास्टोइड मसल, वो मसल का नेम.
Yes. So you were asking how to create that, right?
Yes, sir.
So the neck definitely will be a little bit longer like this. So what we do generally, we keep this loop like this.
Yeah.
Understood? So definitely all the loops will come like this a little bit. This shape is very important. Like this direction is very important. The direction I'm creating, no, it's very important. So now over here also, like all these can go a little bit inside. And definitely from here, the trapezius it is creating. The trapezius it is creating. Okay. Now in this area, one thing can be done, like you can extrude also. Extrusion also can be done. Another thing can be done, like you want uh, a little bit more twist. So what can be done? And just twisting it. Towards the front like this. So I just have twisted it towards the front. Actually, this is the muzzle, not this one. We need to adjust this area according to the reference. So this is the muzzle. So this kind of topology we should create in this area. Sometimes what we do, so after getting this, what I'm feeling like I can do another twist over here. This is looking better. Okay, and after that you want to exaggerate it more. So from here to there, you want to exaggerate it more. So just select, or sorry, not this one, actually this one. Okay, it's going towards the ear. You can extrude it also in case you want to exaggerate a little bit this particular muzzle. You don't need it. It is a continuous loop, and over here just select this and it should be twisted backward. My suggestion is when you are extruding everything, that time only extrude the muzzles, otherwise no need to extrude the muzzles. So should be somewhere like this. In this area. Okay, mostly in the male head only you extrude, otherwise for the female head don't extrude, because in the female head, female neck, the muscles will not be so exaggerated like male. And in the male also, not each and every male you should extrude. Like some of the male figures you can extrude, like very exaggerated muscles the figures are having, you can exaggerate like that. Okay, after this also some more adjustments we need to do, like this area, the sternum, actually it should go inside in this, not like that. That is the reason I told, like according to the reference we need to work in this area anatomically, and this muscle will come and overlap that area like this. Okay, that's the anatomy. Nita, you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Nitai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just need to remember this direction. This direction is very important. This will come like this, but this will come straight downward. This. But this will come like this. and gradually it will go towards the backside. And it has to be very nicely equalized topology. Now here very small loops, then suddenly getting bigger, and then once again getting smaller. So it has to be very, very equalized. When you will make your model, it has to be very equalized. Okay. Now,
I means note that valency value means place means एक valency का place ice के उधर था ना सर
sorry,
forehead एक valency का आई के ऊपर था कि मीन्स सर आई के नीचे था
5 valency.
यस यस सर
5 valency
आई के उधर
at the corner of the eyes towards the nose. One upper side of the eye, one lower side of the eye. 2 5 valencies will be there. 1 5 valency will be there exactly at the center, just below the eye. 1 5 valency will be there in that area. So around the eye, 3 5 valencies can be there.
okay,
But
in total
yeah.
In total means
No, don't. Means you can remember like that, but to be very honest, there is no hard and fast rule. Okay, no hard and fast rule. Like, don't remember like that. Remember the loops, and while creating those loops, automatically the 5 valencies will be created. You need to remember the loops. Like in this area, I'll create circular loop. Around the lips, I'll create circular loop, and from the eyes towards the lips, the loops will come, and from the zygomatic bone to the upper lip, the loops will come. So you need to remember the topology in that way, and then around that circular loop, all the loops are going straight, and there is no, obstacle in between. Just maintain that your topology will be created. And 5 valency, some probable places I discussed today. Those are probable places. It's not necessary for each and every character. The placement will be the same, but almost the same. I mean to say that. But there is no hard and fast rule. Please try to understand. Not mathematically, like the answer will be 4 only. Not like that.
okay sir
Yes. Okay. So, okay, Abhishek, jawbone. Jawbone is also very easy. Sorry. Okay, so this is my human head. This is my human head, right? Just think this is the human head we created, and okay, a few things we can do. All right, almost looking like a head. Fine. Now you want to create the jawbone. Simple. Select this material. Okay, extrude a little more outer side. sorry, global axis. Okay, then coming back to the local axis and making it smaller. Making it smaller. Okay, and now coming towards the outer side. So I'm creating the jawbone, and yeah, it is done. Only this area I need to adjust. Like this. The jawbone is created. I was talking about 3 valency, so this is the one. 3 valency. Okay. Now these two looking a little bit odd. So this will become the head. So from here on also I can start. So very quickly you can start your head. It will be done. Okay, and I can just smooth it once more and start creating the features. It's done for us. It's done for us. All the topology is correct in this so far. Understood? Okay, guys. Now I will talk about texturing. So texturing is going on actually. Okay. So let's talk about the texturing. Let's go to Maya. Interesting topic. And let's create something. Small object maybe. Let's go to Civica, maybe. Okay, that is EP curve actually. No, I don't need it. I need it like this. Okay, all right. So you can see, once again, I'm going to create a kind of pot. Let's make it small. Okay, I'm going to surface and revolve. Sorry, going to surface and revolve. And today, instead of knobs, I'll be using polygon. And in that, quads and count. Let's say 600 polygon. And it's a polygonal object, by the way, right? Polygonal object. It can be more little less also. I think it can be 400 polygons. Yeah, this is correct. Fine. Mesh display and just reverse it. Sorry. Edit, delete by type history. Delete everything else apart from this and this mesh display reverse. So this is our object, right? I am selecting all the faces and extrude. So So what basically I'm doing, I'm trying to create a thickness on it, trying to give a thickness to it, right? Okay, this is done, and now let's save it. Let's try something like in this area. In this area, I'll try to bridge it. Okay, so I don't know if it will be successful, but just thought of it. Smooth path with a curve and divisions, let's say around 12 divisions, and apply. So you can see I have created the bridge. It's 4, and okay, twist I should not. And here you can see I have, curve point, control vertex. I have created the control vertex, and let us check if we can manage it. And how is it looking? Is working at all? Okay, it has created in the negative side, so we cannot use it. Okay, anyway, I'm creating another curve. Sorry, and the curve. So maybe from here to there. I wanted something like this. So that bridge also works, but in this case, it is going towards the negative side. I was thinking so, like it can behave that way, and yes, it was like that. So going to the top view, and instead of keeping it over here, I am rotating a little bit up to this much. Okay, because I am not going to select everything, but only one segment of it in that area. Okay, so now selecting this, shift selecting this, and extrude. Increasing the divisions, and in this case it is fine and working really nice for us. Okay, all right. Selecting this and this, and this time I can use bridge, linear path, divisions 0. Okay, and this time it is much better. I'm just deleting this. Delete this, and selecting this, and let's change the direction a little bit. All right. With edge flow. Then also nothing will happen. Nothing happened. Okay, so now if I press 3, I'm getting something like this. Okay. Absolutely fine. There is no problem. Okay. If you want, you just can rotate it a little bit. This much. Edit, delete by type, history, and select this curve and delete. Okay. Coming to the front view, if you are feeling like some of the areas I can rectify a little bit, so definitely can be done, and through the curve also that can be done. But right now I'm just keeping it like this. I will not waste any more time. So going to the smooth, and with one subdivision level, I'll just apply smooth. So this is my model. I have created a very high poly model. Okay. Before that, actually, I wanted to do something else also. So selecting this vertex and selecting the, sorry. Why so? I'm selecting all the faces, sorry, all the vertices. There is some problem. Let us check. Those are overlapped basically on that area. So going to edit mesh and merge. Okay, merge threshold, apply. So now it has been converted into one. Now it's all right. Okay, so selected that area. I can go a little more. Yeah, it's fine. Extrude. Extrude. Because if it is made of glass, the base should be very heavy, isn't it? So a little more. And in the global axis, scale it down. Keep it over there. Something like this. Okay. So edit, delete by type, history. Keep it on the plane and mesh smooth. Okay, so I wanted something like this and creating a plane. On the plane. Okay, and now going to Arnold and creating a sky dome. So this is my model right now. All right. Okay, now let's convert it into a glass pot. Okay, by using Arnold. Let's check how to do it. So going to the Hypershade, very simple actually. Hypershade, and going to the shader, going to AI standard shader, and select. As I told, everything will be done through this only. Okay, and it's looking like this. What can be done in this? You can use an environment also. Let's say I'm taking a file texture and I don't know if I'm having any. Let's take this one. Okay, you can see it is getting the light from the background, and I think intensity is a little bit too much, so let's make it 0.7. Very harsh light coming, but anyway, that can be because of the white color. Okay, so if we are trying to create material, so actually the outlook is like this. So if it is a glass, okay, roughness can be approximately 0.1, little roughness, if it is made of glass. Okay, so this is one. And second thing is color. Actually glass color will not come from the diffuse color. It should come from the transmission. The main color should come from the transmission. So what I'm going to do, last day I told, like, I will talk about transmission later on. So today we'll be working on this property. So how much transparency is there in this object? Now you need to remember one thing. If we are talking about opacity, okay, that is not transparency. In this case, in Arnold material, so we need to go to the geometry, and over there we are having opacity option. Okay, so opacity, I'm just reducing, and you can see it's becoming transparent. Okay, so this is transparency, not transmission. Okay, and nor the refraction is happening in this area. So this is not a glass. Remember this. Okay, so opacity, we don't have to do anything with the opacity. Opacity is there, by the way, like the software renderer. So over here means the genuine transmission, refraction it is going to create through this transmission. So I'm just clicking on the transmission weight, and you can see something is happening, and the transmission started to see, and now it is looking like a glass. You can see it is looking like a glass. And anyway, the glass will take so much of rendering time. Remember this. It will take so much of rendering time. Let's make it a little more interesting. So click on it. Intensity, let's make 0.3 for the background. Oh, I cannot see this. Okay. And let's put another light over here. Need to make it a little bigger. Let us check what's happening with this. So this is the resolution gate we are going to render basically. So nothing is happening because of the exposure, isn't it? But the glass is looking like a glass. Exposure can be. Can you see the refraction is happening? Now this is not opacity, the refraction over here. Okay, and the glass. Sorry, let's change the exposure first. Let's make it 8. Nothing is happening. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 12. Okay, so you can see it's looking like very realistic glass. Okay, now going to the glass shader once again. We are trying to create glass shader right now. Okay, and in this, in the transmission, so let's go to the specularity of it. Okay, so point 1 we talked about. So if it is a very new kind of glass, then new glass, brand new glass. Okay, so the roughness can be a little less, or normally glass will have a little bit, means the glossiness will not be that much sharp over here. The blurriness will be there in the glossiness. So that is the reason the roughness 0.1 value is a good value for a realistic result. Okay, used glass kind of. Okay, now coming to the I was talking about IOR. We discussed, like, just check in this area what's happening. The refraction is happening, or let's make it like this. Can you see the refraction happening over here in this area? So if it is 1, let's check what's happening. There is no refraction. You cannot see it, right? So 1.1, let's check how much refraction is happening. Okay, so 1.3. Now towards the glass, it's looking towards the glass. Now glass actually can be 1.4. It can start from 1.4 to 1.6. So by default it was 1.5. So we can keep it 1.5 basically. Okay, so that is the IOR of glass. So it will depend from IOR, like specs. The glass is there. So in that, how thin the glass is and how thick is glass is. Thick glasses, have you noticed, like the eyes will appear so big through the thick glasses? Somewhere is wearing the glass and check his eyes, like eyes will appear so big. That is because of the refraction. So IOR depends actually in those glasses basically. Okay, so very, very important. Index of refraction. Index of refraction. So
so in Maya shaders, if you want thin glass, then we will, मतलब से उसमें thickness के लिए model को thick करना पड़ेगा.
Right. No, in this also I have given thickness to the model. If you can remember, I extruded it. So guys, just try to understand this. What I am talking about. What is IOR basically? in your science class, I'm sure you have gone through this. So this is the surface. Okay. So the light is hitting. So the light is hitting. Suppose this is the light source, and the light is hitting from here to there, and it will go back to that side, isn't it? That's the property of the light. Okay. But if it is a transparent object, okay, what should be done? So if it is a transparent object, with the same direction, light should go with the same direction because it is a transparent object. But it doesn't happen because of that IOR, index of refraction. What happens? Light will go a little bit tilted like this. It will not penetrate directly straight. It will penetrate a little bit tilted. So this angle it has created, how much distance angle it has created, that is called IOR, index of refraction. Understood? So the basic property of light is to reflect on the surface, but in a transparent object it should go directly, but it doesn't go directly. It will be just tilted a little bit. Okay, so that is the IOR of this surface. So different glass will have different IOR. So some thick glasses, it will twist too much inside, so the angle will be too high. Honey, the angle will be too high. But a very thin glass, the angle will be so less. So IOR will be so less. So 1.2, 1.3 like that. So it will be, so this is 1, this is 1. So light is directly penetrating, so nothing was visible in our scene. When I made it 1.1, so a little refraction, so it created a little angle, so it was seen, the refraction was seen. So this was basically the refraction, IOR. I guess you got my point, right? Okay, so in this, now another thing will happen, that is, if you want to give a little color to it. Okay, guys, another thing, a glass is not 100% glass until unless you are making, so the glass is selected, the shape node is selected, going to Arnold. So going to Arnold, okay, and there is something called opaque. You just need to click it off. Okay, now this is a transparent object and transparent glass. So just click on it. So now actually this is a glass. Okay, so now this is a glass. Suppose one experiment, okay? One experiment. Duplicate. 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 I have kept several glasses over here. And let us check what will happen. Overlapped like this. Okay? So let us check what will happen. Can you see the last one? We cannot see in this area. The last one, it became black in this area, and that is because of anytime Maya can crash. Actually, just stop it. Going to Arnold renderer, and we talk about this transmission. So all these transmission pixels are coming. If we increase the transmission value, so that will go very clean result we are going to get. Now going to the ray depth. Last day I was talking about this transmission. Okay, so it is 8. So if I make it 1, let's check what will happen. Can you see? It cannot even penetrate one surface, the first surface of this object. It cannot penetrate. Now let's check. If I make it 2, the first surface of the first wall of the first surface is transparent because it is having a thickness. So it is having 2 thickness. Okay, so it is penetrating that, but next it cannot penetrate. So making it 4. Okay, so first object it is penetrating. Second object, how much is visible over here, it is penetrating that, but inside how much is overlap, it is not penetrating that. Now making it 6. So second object is also penetrating. Third object, how much is overlapped? Only 6 layers, only 6 walls is penetrating, that it is penetrating, but rest it cannot. So making it 8. Okay, the third object is penetrating now. Okay, but fourth object it cannot penetrate because it is, the walls are more than 8. Let's make it 10. Okay, so the third object, the last wall also it has penetrated. Let's make it 12. I think it has penetrated all right now. Understood? So in your scene, how much overlapping is there, and definitely it will increase the rendering time. And total value is 10. Let's make it 14 right now. Because 12, 13, 14. So sorry. 14. So it has to be more than that. Like it has to be exactly the total value. So I have made it like this. Okay. If it is 8, so 8, 9, 10. So the total value can be 10. So like that, each and every object it will calculate and it will penetrate. So very important. I guess you got this point. So I'll just delete it and transparency depth is also very important. If it is 0, we are getting the shadow, right? I think this question was there in your mind, why the shadow is not appearing. So this is because of the transparency depth. How much depth you will increase, that much light ray is penetrating and the shadow will be lighter and lighter. So this much shadow should not happen because this is a transparent object. So let's make it 1. Let's make it 4. Shadow is gone. Okay, let's make it 3. So very minute area is there basically. So let's make it 3.5. Gone. I don't think its calculation is correct. I think there is some problem. Okay, you can see like it cannot be 3 and 4 cannot jump this much. So let's make it 3 only in this case. Otherwise we are not getting any shadow. So we need some shadow. Otherwise the object will not look like on the table. It's on the table. Okay, so this is another thing. And the last thing I will talk about, that is the color of it, transmission color of it. Suppose it is a green color glass. So it has to be very little, very little. Green color glass. You can see. In the shadow also, I don't know if it is visible to you, but I can see some green color in the shadow also. Okay, so colored glass like this can be done, but you can see the color almost white only. Very little amount of color I have added. Okay, so this is one. And the last thing, I'm once again going to this Arnold property, And let's check. There should be one advanced property. Displacement. Okay, over here, sorry. The material is selected. The material is selected, and inside that there is one advanced property, and in that there is something called caustics. So in the shadow, sometimes under the glass, if sunlight is hitting the glass, you can see one white bright light is coming in the shadow. So that is called caustic basically. So underwater scene also, the animated caustic you can see in underwater scene. So those are caustic. So some in the shadow, some bright light is penetrating. So but it will crank up the rendering time like anything. Okay, so just clicking on the caustic and just rendering it. I guess you were getting that sense of caustic over here. Already we are getting. Okay, so that is basically the caustic. Okay, so this is it for today. I wanted to share this, like how to create a transparent object by using Arnold. Okay, and you can create beautiful glasses out of it. So it will take too much rendering time, and it will give a good result, but it will take too much rendering time for now. So let's stop it. Guys, I guess you got the point. And quickly, yes.